There are a lot of good bikes out of there, but I think one thing that separates a good bike from a bad bike is, you know, it's on the engineering side of what we put into the process of designing the bike. Is basically what determines what the bike's going to ride like, and that's what we really focus on. Unlike a lot of other bike companies, you know, a lot of bike companies will take corners or pick a frame out of a catalog, put their brand name on it and everything like that. And at Felt, we take a lot of pride and ownership in 100% of the design of the bicycle. So when you're looking at the fork, from the dropouts to the seat collars to the frame to the layup of the bike, it's 100% proprietary to Felt. It's 100% of our engineering time and design, and that's why I feel that you know, these guys definitely have an advantage. I think if you've talked to any of the riders in the Pro Peloton or any of the riders on other teams, they'll acknowledge that with a Felt bike, you definitely have an advantage. And the F1 has just been we call this basically our track dog bike. This bike's been around from when I was hand building them in my shop to now where we're doing the hand layups for the team now. When it comes to sponsoring a team, one thing we really look at is the co-sponsors that go along with the program. Sometimes you can be the best frame sponsor, put all the engineering time and have substandard parts that some supplier might supply the team, and you have to deal with that handicap, I'll call it, if that situation happens. We're very fortunate to have, I mean, the Shimano and the Pro components on this bike are bar none the best in the world. There's no question that anybody in the Peloton, you know, their first choice is going to be Shimano components. Their first choice is going to be the Pro accessories that go on at the Pro, you know, seat posts and bars and everything. The Dura-Ace wheels. I mean, the Toria tires. All this stuff is, you know, absolutely the top sponsored products that we could be fortunate enough to have behind us. One thing that sets us apart probably from a lot of other bike companies is that we're all ears, and we realize that for us to build the best bikes in the world, we need the feedback from the professional World Tour riders. There's as much as I love riding my bike, there's a big difference between my wide open and their wide open, and I need their feedback. They're putting these things through things I could never even think about doing, and they can tell me if something's going wrong in a certain situation. We can isolate that problem, go to that, and make a better bike.